So, what did I do today? Well, we came in and we found out that we need to make a song. We need to make a song by the end of the day. So I got cracking, and I used what I did last week, and I used it. I got some sounds. I got 7 sounds that I knew I liked and that I wanted to use, so I started using them, and I made a song. I did that in about an hour. No, we're going to say 2.5 hours. 3 hours. So I did that in 3 hours. I said, Dave, I need to know how this sounds. This sounds pretty decent. And he said, don't worry, let's have a listen. So I listened to it. And he said, yeah, it's all right. And I said, okay, now can you critique me as much as possible? Go absolutely ham. And he said, you sure? And I was like, yes, please. That's the only way I'm going to get better. She said, okay. He said, well, first things first. Your song, composer-wise, doesn't really make sense because I did the thing in 4/4s, but I only did it in 3/3s. Does that make sense? But it doesn't matter. Anyway, so I did that, and he kind of showed me not how to fix it, but showed me how I could make it better, which really helped me. And so he sent me on my way, and I started making it not better, but I started getting it more like my sound that in the end I really like. So half an hour goes by, and I'm like, right, I love that. That's it. And then I go, I want to sample it because I've never used a sample, and so I used a sample. I used Master Oogway from Kung Fu Panda saying, yesterday was history, tomorrow's a mystery, but today's a gift. That's what we call it. And so yeah, I did that. And by the end of it, I'm looking back on this track and I'm like, wow, this is awesome. And yeah. So what did I learn? I learned that there is more ways you can mix a song than just making it. There are hundreds of ways. As a producer, you're not limited to using only one drum kit. You can use hundreds and hundreds of drum kits. And thinking like that is really inspiring and awesome. Am I struggling with anything? Not really. It's more, I say it's more concentration. It's concentration. I find it really difficult to concentrate for more than 2 hours at a time. I don't even say 2 hours, it's more of an hour and a half. And I want to get better at concentrating and stuff. So yeah, I have to work on that. And I'm just going to try and get better at it, just focus more on the work at hand, if anything. Did I collaborate with anyone? I mean, if we mean talking wise, I talked to almost everyone today, but musical wise, no, I did not, sadly. I wish I did. And yeah, aim and goals for the project. I want to make 2 absolutely smashing songs. 2 more absolutely smashing songs that I can be like, yes, I did that. I'm proud of it. I don't even care what anyone thinks. I'm happy with it. And that's what I'm going to do. How am I undertaking the project? To be fair, I think I'm undertaking it quite well. I think, in all honesty, I've done a really good job, of working and just smashing it out and grafting. So yeah, I think I'm doing well. So until tomorrow, peace.